I'm going to quickly demonstrate how I use the dash to first browse for applications that I have installed, and then second of all how I use it to launch applications without taking my hands off the keyboard. So the first, here I am on my first desktop, and I'm going to, let's pretend I want to look for a game, feel like playing a game. I'll click on the Ubuntu logo up here, and that will bring up the dash. And then I'll click on More Apps. Don't want any of these. I'll click on More Apps. This gives me a chance to look at all the apps that I have. Oh, interesting. Tile World. I wonder what that is. I'll have to check that out later. But since I'm looking for a game, I'll go up here and I'll say, just show me just games. And that shows me just games. And I can click here to see all the games that I have installed if I want to play one of those games, or I can download one that's suggested for me here. So I could launch games like that if I want, and this lets me browse to see what I have there, and I use the mouse for that. So I'm going to hit the escape key to make the dash go away. I'll show you another way that I use the dash is when I know what program that I want. I run a terminal a lot for various things, and so I can launch the terminal very quickly by hitting the meta key, which is called a Windows key. If you bought your computer with Windows on it, it might be called the Windows key, but it's really the meta key. Hit the meta key, type the first few letters of the application that I want, and hit enter. So, and I can do all this without taking my hands off the keyboard. So meta key, T-E-R-M, enter, and it brings up the terminal. I can even use Control Alt right arrow to go to another desktop and do it again. And there I have a terminal. So I'm able to quickly launch the applications without taking my hands off the keyboard.